Today we're gonna have a look at the Soundpeats' first attempt on the ANC world. Having tested Soundpeats products before, I have high hopes on these ones. Welcome to the review of the Soundpeats T2. Before we start, I have to tell you this. The earbuds have been sent to me for review, many thanks. Although they have sent it to me, I will provide my honest opinion. With this out of the way, let's start the review with the price. The Soundpeats T2 in UK at the moment of this recording are £47.59. They have like a discount going on Amazon, but like always, check the links down below because the prices are always changing. The Soundpeats T2 have a very simple design with the Soundpeats logo on the top of the case and in the back a USB-C charging port. When you charge the case, the LED will light up to let you know that the case is charging. And when you put the earbuds inside of the case, the LED will change to blue to let you know that they are charging. The case is made of a matte plastic, and when you open the case, the process is very smooth, with the lid staying open by itself. When you check the earbuds from the case, you can see they are very simple, with the same matte finish as the case, with the Soundpeats logo on the touch surface and a small LED on the bottom. But don't you worry, they will stop light up when you start playing media. The earbuds are a bit on the larger side. As you can see, they stick a bit out of my ears, but they fit well and I don't have any problems on keeping them in. On the battery field, they have done a good job as well. With the ANC off, you will have 10 hours of playback time, and with the case a total of 30 hours. If you turn the ANC on, the battery life will drop around 20%, so you'll have 8 hours of playback time with the earbuds and 24 hours with the case in total. It takes 2 hours to fully charge the earbuds in the case. Talking about specs now, let's start by saying that for a budget ANC earbuds, the specs are very good. They come with the Iroha AB1562A Bluetooth 5.2 chipset, with support for both AAC and SBC audio codecs. The T2 come with a very respectable apx6 water resistant rating, and for ANC earbuds this is very good, because most of the budget ANC earbuds are either not apx rated or they come with the apx 4 or 5 rating. The earbuds come with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, so swapping the earbuds in and out of your ears to the case is a very nice process. To finish the specs, they don't have multi-point connect, so you can connect them to multiple devices but not at the same time. ANC, the feature that we have been waiting for so long from Soundpeats, is finally here. And let me tell you that the T2 are easily one of the best budget ANC performance that I have tried on this channel. Costing less than $100, they are super solid. They are almost on par with the AirPods Pro on the ANC Performance, and I'm amazed on how they managed to get it right on the first time. The T2 also comes with the ambient mode, and like the ANC mode, this one works so well as well. I like it, it feels so natural. In my opinion, the ANC is very good, and I would say that it is around 75% effective. The T2 have a great sound quality, and after testing quite a few Soundpeats earbuds, I think they have got it right a while ago. The bass on the T2 are super solid and punchy, with the sub bass being really good as well. The clarity is great and the sound stage is not the widest, but have a good separation for your music and movies. They come with a 12mm dynamic driver That is huge for an in-ear earbuds, but great for the soundstage. The T2 are great on the call quality as well. They are loud and stable. For a budget earbuds, they are pretty good. Like always, let's have a look on the call quality inside and outside next. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats inside. I'm inside of my room. I got my light is here. I got a fan. So hopefully you guys are going to be able to listen to my voice and not that fan or any other noises. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. And we're going to go outside now and see how it goes. Right guys, so this is the sound outside. I'm not very sure if I'm on focus or not. Sorry about this. It's too sunny and my NV filter is not working properly. I don't know why. Hopefully I'll be alright. So this is the sound outside, and it's not windy. Probably going to be a bit echoey, like I normally say, because my house is here and I'm like here outside, and this is a bit echoey here. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the sound in the comments, and let's go back to the review inside of the house. They came with the 5.2 Bluetooth, but I noticed a bit of latency when gaming. But for the rest, like YouTube or Netflix for example, the latency is zero. The Soundpeats T2 also comes with the traditional controls feature that let you control all your media. So, to increase the volume, tap once on the right earbud. To decrease the volume, tap once on the left earbud. To play, pause media, or to take a phone call, tap twice on either side of the earbuds. To skip tracks forward, press and hold the right earbud. And sadly, there's no control to skip the tracks backwards, so you will have to use your phone for that. To call your assistant, triple tap on the either side of the earbuds. And lastly, to change between the different ANC modes, press and hold the left earbud for about 2 seconds, and they will be able to choose ANC mode, pass-through mode and normal mode. The first earbuds with ANC from Soundpeats, and they are amazing. Soundpeats done the right thing on not rushing on the ANC world, and doing that, they have been able to get it right at the first time. If you want a budget earbuds with a great sound quality and a great ANC, the T2 are the right pair of earbuds for you. And this was my review on the Soundpeats T2. If you found this review helpful, please smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, it will help the channel. Stay safe, I will see you on my next review.